So we made it to Aulani.
Oh my goodness, never thought it was gonna happen.
Let's see. Oh, nice.
Okay, we're just gonna move our bags.
So we're getting in a little bit late-ish. So it's dark. So we really can't see anything yet because it's just so dark. But we'll do our best to do this tour because we want everybody to see the same time as we see.
And sorry for the little thing, we just don't want our luggage out. Yes, we have taken a lot of luggage.
So there's a safe in this closet too, which is so funny when they have all, like I'm used to the theme parks having the safes because you figure you're leaving like money, but why a safe here, I don't know. Oh, look at that, there's like plates and cups and stuff, like paper products. And you've got a real coffee machine. Oh, I'm gonna have some tea. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. And let's see the bathroom. Oh, it smells pretty in here. Whatever kind of stuff they use smells nice.
Like coconutty.
Yeah, like nice and fresh and clean and nice.
Looks like a nice raindrop shower as well.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be neat. Nice big sink. They don't have your Donna mirror though.
Closet. No blind old lady mirrors.
But
oh, I love my
I know
blind
Donna
old
likes
mirrors.
to see what kind of stuff that they
Let me
have.
smell it. Oh, no, it's the H2O that I don't like. Oh,
Really?
man. I have a theory. I think I mentioned this theory. I think this actually smells better than the other one. But I think they stopped coming out with that orange one because people were taking them all. That's my
I liked
theory.
it.
Let's see. So now we've got a big mirror. I guess worst comes to worst, I can do my makeup out here.
Yeah.
Some lights, camera action. Oops, nope. Hold on. That's a fan. Oh, where's the light?
Where's the
Is there like
lights?
a main switch when you walk in?
Let's see. Let's see if this is the light. No. Okay,
Where's the
we're
light,
figuring
man?
out. Clap your hands.
All right, so that does nothing. Oh, that's the fan. That does over there. Okay. Maybe I gotta do I have to like old school cut? No, there's really just no way to turn. All right, how do we? We're having technical difficulties.
Okay, let's see if I can turn this light on. No. Oh! We have light. We have light.
Now, in theory, the one over here. What about this one?
No,
That
that's.
turns that on. This one should turn on everything. I thought. No. All right, there's
Okay.
got to be like a main switch somewhere.
But we'll continue the tour.
Okay. Sorry. I digress. Oh, we have Mickey out with his, look at Hawaiian Mickey. Where's the hell's the thing? Oh, this one has one of these. Oh, look at him with his surfboard. How cute. Now this is
And his
supposed to-
ukulele.
This is supposed to have a deluxe room. I'm very excited to look. I mean, a deluxe view. I'm very tired.
Do we got a porch?
So how do I open this?
Do we got a balcony?
Let's see. How do I open it? Okay, here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's locks. And it's dark. I can't see.
We got a balconies.
Oh, look at. Is there a light out here? No light. Oh my god, all I smell is yummy barbecue though.
I know.
Oh, look at. So the ocean is that way, right?
So,
See
yep.
it?
I don't think we could see it. We can see it because it's very dark, but right on the other side of those lights is going to be the ocean.
So tomorrow we have
We'll be able to
daylight.
see the sunset. But check out that.
Beautiful pool area. Is that like that's a lazy river?
I believe that is a lazy river.
Oh my god.
So
I
this
hear
is
some luau music.
our view.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see it when it's lit up with sunlight.
Let's see if I can do the widescreen just to give you guys an idea of how many different pools and stuff.
Wow. It's like the Polynesian on steroids.
Oh, big time.
Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
We're gonna do
We can
another.
have some coffee out here on these chairs. and
We're gonna
see the
do
view.
another shot of this in the morning,
Yeah.
and we're gonna put it in right here.
But for now, we're gonna go. We're gonna just go because we're starving to death. We just finally got here. Do you see the little couch that's tropical? It's like Golden Girls-ish. It's like thank
Golden
you for
Girls.
being a friend. Like if you have a lanai, that would be on your lanai. Oh, so this is, and it smells. I don't know, like if they pump in a fragrance. But it smells like so
No,
refreshing.
it
and
could be
great.
because we've had a mask on for the last
know,
12
that's
hours. So here we are. That's the ocean view. These are the grounds. And way down there is Donna waving. Oh, she's loving this. Okay. So this is Aulani. This is our view. And that is the Pacific.